Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the wiring methods and materials you need to know to stay NEC compliant. Whether you're installing conduit, running cables, or just getting started, understanding the NEC wiring rules is essential for safety and efficiency. Let's get into it. This video is brought to you by Positive Electricians, your go-to experts for electrical installations, repairs, and EV charger setups. Visit positiveelectricians.com for more info. Let's start with conduit, a key wiring method in the NEC. Conduit is used to protect and route electrical wiring. There are several types you'll encounter, including rigid metal conduit, or RMC heavy-duty and durable, used in exposed areas or underground. Intermediate metal conduit, IMC lighter than RMC but still strong enough for many industrial applications. Electrical metallic tubing, EMT, lightweight and easy to install, ideal for dry locations. And finally, PVC conduit, used for underground installations and offers excellent corrosion resistance. When choosing the right conduit, make sure you're following NEC Article 358 for EMT installation, or Article 356 for PVC conduit. Each type has its own set of rules for bending, mounting, and supporting to ensure the wiring is safe and compliant. Next, let's talk about cables. The NEC outlines several cable types and their proper use. Non-metallic sheath cable, or NM, is commonly used for residential wiring, including Romex. Armored cable, or AC, is used for situations where extra protection is needed for the wiring, often in commercial buildings. Service entrance cable, or SE, is the cable used to bring power into the building from the utility company. And finally, underground feeder cable, or UF, is designed for outdoor or underground installations and has extra insulation to protect it from moisture. According to the NEC, you need to follow the specific wiring method for each location and application. For example, New Mexico cables are allowed in dry, residential settings, but you can't use them outdoors or in wet conditions. Always check the NEC's article for the cable you're using to make sure it's suitable for your installation. When installing cables, make sure to follow the rules for secure mounting and correct size. NEC Article 300.4 covers protection from physical damage, and Article 300.11 addresses proper securing and supporting. Cables should be installed with the right amount of slack but not too loose to prevent damage during normal operation. Another important part of the NEC wiring rules is proper labeling and identification. NEC Article 300.17 requires that all cables and conduits be labeled to indicate the wiring type and its use, so there's no confusion during future maintenance or upgrades. To sum it up, following NEC wiring methods and using the right materials is crucial for ensuring safety and compliance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electrical tips and NEC breakdowns. Got any questions about wiring methods? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Need professional electrical services? Contact Positive Electricians at positiveelectricians.com or call us at 844-411-0240. We're here to power up your home and business.